There's a version of this podcast where I only tell you what works. Clean frameworks, inspiring wins, AI doing everything perfectly while you sleep. This is not that episode. Today we are talking about what happened when brands go all in on autonomous marketing and get it catastrophically wrong, and more importantly, why the failure pattern is almost always the same. Welcome back to AMP, the Autonomous Marketing Playbook by Cognitive. Let's get into it. When something works in marketing, there are usually 10 reasons why: right product, right timing, right budget, right distribution. You can never fully isolate what's made it work. When something fails, the reason is almost always singular. One decision, one assumption, one thing nobody questioned in the room. That is why failure is cleaner data than success. And right now, the AI marketing failure pattern is becoming impossible to ignore. Brands across categories are making the same mistake in different packaging. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Here's the first thing to understand about every autonomous marketing failure: the tool is almost never the problem. The AI did exactly it was told to do. The content was generated, the campaign was executed, the automation ran on schedule. The failure happened before any of that. It happened at the brief, at the strategy, at the moment someone decided which layer of marketing to hand over to AI and which layer to keep. Autonomous marketing fails when brands automate judgment instead of operations. That is the whole diagnosis. Everything else is just variation on that theme. There are three layers where brand consistency make the wrong call. The first is emotion. Some campaigns exist to make people feel specific: trust, nostalgia, aspiration, joy. These are not content problems, they are human problems. AI can execute the production of an emotional campaign. It cannot feel whether it is lending, and the audience always know the difference. The second is cultural context. Marketing does not happen in vacuum. It happens inside a specific culture at a specific moment with a specific audience that has specific sensitivities. AI does not know what is happening in the world this week. It does not know what audience argued about on social media yesterday. It does not know when a joke has stopped being funny or when a visual has crossed the line. That read requires a human who is paying attention. The third is brand judgment. Every brand has a set of things. It will never say and think it will always stand for. That knowledge lives in people, not in systems. When you remove the human from the approval layer and let AI publish directly, you are one bad output away from the crisis that takes years to undo. Here's the paradox: the brands getting burned by autonomous marketing are automating the wrong things entirely. The parts of marketing that are genuinely repetitive, low judgment, and high volume are exactly where AI delivers maximum value and zero risk. Performance reporting, email sequencing, A B test variation, SEO metadata, ad copy testing, social scheduling, audience segmentation. These are operations, they are not decisions. Automating them does not require anyone to trust AI with your brand voice or your culture positioning. The brands winning with autonomous marketing right now are the ones using the most AI. They are the ones who drew the line correctly, automate the machine, keep humans on the judgment. The boundary is not a limitation of AI, it is strategic choice. And the brands that treat it as a choice rather than a compromise are the ones compounding while everyone else is firefighting. One more thing before we close. Even when brands keep humans in the loop, there is a failure mode nobody talks about enough. Automation scales whatever you put into it. If your brief is weak, AI will produce a polished version of a weak brief. If your strategy is off, AI will execute that strategy faster and at the high volume than any team could manually. You will not just make one wrong call, you will make it 100 times before anyone notices. This is why The brief is the most important document in the autonomous marketing operation. Not the tool, not the workflow, the brief. Get the thinking right before the automation starts. Because once it starts, it moves fast, and going back is expensive. Autonomous marketing is not a binary. It is not all in or all out. The question was never whether to use AI in your marketing. That ship has sailed. The question is where you draw the line between machine and human. And that line is not technical, it's strategic. Automate operations, protect judgment, get the brief right before anything else moves. That is the whole playbook in 3 sentences. If this made you rethink something on your own setup, share it with your one founder who needs to hear it. Subscribe to AMP on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. And if you want Cognitive to help you figure out where that line sits for your brand, the link in the description. See you in episode 3.